How to request a FedEx Redelivery. First of all, you go ahead and open any browser of your choice. Now simply type in FedEx tracking. Now go to their official website, which should appear on the top. Tap on that. Now once you open it, all you have to do is choose your location and tap on this tracking ID option and proceed to type in your tracking ID. Once you have written it, tap this orange or white track option and you will be sent to the delivery manager. Now once you're there, all you have to do is, if the courier is missed, you can use the dot tag usually left behind. Go to the FedEx delivery option and select the redelivery option. From there, navigate to the FedEx tracking page, enter your tracking ID and choose the manage delivery to view your available rescheduling option. Hope this video helped you out a lot. If you have any question or queries, please do comment down below, and thank you again for watching.